Good morning, my best beans family. How y'all doing? It's bright and early here in the morning, and I'm about to cook some curry chicken. You guys probably have seen me clean up the chicken on a live stream. I did clean it up and season it up. Yes, guys, and now it's time for me to cook the chicken. So as you can see, I'm burning the curry with some cumin and garlic. Just to infuse into the chicken to give it a nice taste, nice flavor. Yes, guys, I burned the curry. I use better pack curry, and right now I am just stirring the pot to ensure that the chicken is saturated in that little curry sauce that I prepared. Yes, guys, so I'm just gonna allow the chicken now to cook for, I would say, about 45 minutes thereabout, for everything to just cook and melt away from the bone. Yes, guys, when you're cooking curry chicken, I don't add any water to it. I just leave the stove on low heat and allow it to spring its own water. And from time to time, I just go back, give it a check, and stir it up again to ensure that everything cook evenly and all the flavors just infused together. Right now, guys, it's early in the morning. The aroma is kicking. I hope I'm not waking up any of the neighbors, but hey, it's curry chicken, so guess what? It's gonna smell good. Yes, guys, I'm just gonna pair that up with some white rice that I have over here cooking. I'm about to turn off the stove now and allow it to, steam down a little bit in the heat. Yeah. So that's the white rice. And I'm going to fry a few pieces of plantains to go with it as well. So it's gonna be curry chicken, rice, and fried plantains. So as you can see, the plantain is frying. Yeah, and I'm just gonna allow them to get a golden brown color on each side, after which remove them, place them on paper towel, just to absorb the excess oil, guys. You have to ensure that when you're cooking, everything done proper, the right way. All right, guys, so just keep on watch this little video to the end. It's just a few minutes, few clips that I film. Yes, guys, so there it is. I'm about to check on the pot again, give it a nice stir. I went ahead and add some carrots and potato to it. Yes, guys, when you're having curry chicken, the carrots and the potato, taste very good with it. You can just eat it just the way it is, not like you have to eat it with something else. Carrot and potato is in it. Yes, guys, so can you imagine when I serve up a plate, I'll be eating and thinking of you guys as always. All right, guys, so if you try curry chicken before, or if this is an interested video, share your comments below. Yes, let me know how yours turned out to be, or if you add anything different in yours, feel free to share your comments. All right, so there goes the plantain, guys, nicely done. Yeah, let's check on the pot again, guys. You notice that I didn't add any water, as mentioned before, as it spring its own water. Yes, guys, so we're coming down to the final stage of the pot now. Yeah, just gonna allow it now to simmer down maybe for a couple more minutes, to absorb some of the excess water from it, and so that the thing can taste nice and proper. Don't want it with too much gravy. Yeah, so the pot is almost ready, guys. In another couple minutes, stove is gonna turn off. Yeah, but I'll show you guys the final clip. Yeah, so just keep watching. As said before, that is it, guys. That is it. Pot coming down to comey. Yeah, look at it, guys. You notice the liquid is less in the pot. Yes, so I'm just gonna turn off the pot now, guys, and shear up some in a little bit. I'm actually gonna take some of this to work with me so I can eat. I don't have to buy any food on the street. Yes, guys, so that is it. Stay blessed, everyone. Enjoy the holiday season with you and your family. All right, bless up. Thanks for watching.